The challenges have been evolving throughout time, I would say, right? So it's not always been the same challenge. If I had to name one challenge a couple of years ago, it probably would have been the supply chain, for instance. Getting components to be able to build a device, that was the biggest challenge. Nowadays, that's becoming, I would say, less of a challenge. It's being managed, and our customers face the typical challenges that you can see in the IoT market. Being able to build a device in the right time and with the right budget to be able to actually get a return on investment and to be able to come to market quickly. That's still the number one challenge, getting quick to market. Then there's also the availability of the device in the field throughout the lifetime of the application. So ensuring that the device remains connected 24/7 and are upgradable throughout the lifetime of the application, ensuring they're always reachable. That's also a relatively big challenge, especially when we're talking about battery-operated devices. The importance of security has also seen an evolution in IoT throughout the last 10, 15 years. I mean, if you asked me 15 years ago, for most of our customers, security was an afterthought. It was just something you add on top of something that already existed. But today, this has changed, I would say, dramatically. Security is now like one of the key pillars of any application. We understand security as the central elements of our development strategy. Security is one of the essential parts of any IoT device, and security by design, it's a philosophy that everybody needs to follow. You must address security from day one when you build an IoT device. Think of profitability as a whole, think of total cost of ownership, and not only about the cost of developing and building an application and producing a device, but also think about the costs that come throughout the lifetime of the application, the operational costs, the maintenance costs. What is it like to go out in the field and repair a device? What if there is a cyber attack? Think of all the other costs that come after the device has been deployed. Think about total cost of ownership. That's probably one of the main reasons why IoT projects fail, because they think of how to build a device, but not how to actually maintain the device and keep it alive in the field.